To copy paste text using Samsung Keyboard text editing feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open an app where you can use your Samsung Keyboard as the example while writing a note in the Note app. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the three horizontal dot icon above the keyboard, and then tap text editing. Next, navigate to the first text you like to copy by using the directional arrow to move the cursor precisely. Tap select. Now use the arrows to highlight the desired text. Tap copy to save the highlighted text to the clipboard so you can paste the text to this app or other app. As the example, we will paste that text to a WhatsApp message to send it to others. Open your WhatsApp. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. The latest copied item usually will be displayed on top of the keyboard. Tap the copied text to insert it into the text field. Tap send button to send the message. As you can see, you can use this feature to copy specific part of text without accidentally selecting extra and paste text into the perfect spot with ease. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.